Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I received 2 more entries today. It is September 30th, so just in time. And the first one is from Tiffany. Tiffany, if you can see this. So let's open this up. Let's see what she's done. Thank you, Tiffany, for joining. And she had contacted me earlier in the month, and I guess, you know, I was a little slow in responding, and I apologize for that, guys. There's just so much going on, and I know everybody's got a lot of things going on, but right now, but yeah, it's just a struggle. There you go, there it is, guys. She put some unicorns. Very cute. Let's get this open. Oh no. Is it taped? Let's see. Tiffany, it's such cute paper. I don't want to tear it. All right, so we're just gonna cut it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to tear it. Sorry, girl. So Tiffany, thank you so much for joining and playing in this birthday celebration. Oh, look at that! She made a memory next card with a happy birthday. So cute. I love it. Okay, I'm not gonna look at that right now, but there she goes. She made 3 little under 3-inch embellishments. Very good. Thank you, my dear. I want to take it out. Very cute. I love the colors. It's so pretty. She's got dimensional butterflies. Oh, so pretty. Oh, look, they got, okay, so they're opposite prints. So the bottom is striped, and on the bottom of this one is polka dots. Very cute. I love it. And she has a little rosette, and she die cut this rosette. You can see her edges right here. You could tell it's a die cut. It's very pretty. And she's got a present and a cupcake. And the little present says, "Happy birthday." It's so cute. Tiffany, thank you. It made it here, my dear. Just in time. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you participating and celebrating with me. Look at her card. It says, "Cutie pie, happy birthday. It's my party." I love it. The gold doily and then the bling. Oh, so cute, girly. And then the back, she has a little envelope. I'm going to open up the envelope and see what she has. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh, celebrate. Time to celebrate. Very cute. Let's see. Okay, Tiffany Bilton, B-I-L-T-E-N. Nice. Okay, so her birthday was September, also September 22nd. Oh, happy belated birthday, girl. And her style is clean and simple. Her favorite colors are all of them. Nice. And favorite craft item is her dies, pretty paper, and ephemera. And her favorite, what is this? Candy, anything gummy. Yeah, I agree. Favorite craft store, whoever has the best coupon. Instagram is Glamnurse. Oh, yay, Tiffany. Girl, thank you so much. She found me on Instagram, or I should say found each other, because I've seen her work also. And she says, "Happy birthday, friend. I hope you like what I have created for you. May you continue to be blessed, and wish you success in everything you do. Tiffany B." Thank you, my dear. I love everything. And that is a cool, look at that embellishment. It's like you could take that off and put it on like a pin. Thank you, Tiffany. Everybody, please go check her out. She's on Instagram, Glamnurse. Yeah, so I don't think she has a YouTube. I didn't see that, but yes, I know she's on Instagram. Glamnurse, Glamnurse. Yep. It's all one word. So check her out, guys. Give her some love. She's very creative and I love it. Okay, ladies, so had to come back here. Have to put Miss Tiffany officially in the box. She is entry number 5. Check her out, guys. We have Miss Sheena. We have Disa Dawn, number 2. We have Diane, Miss Diane, Crafting with Fury, number 3. And we have Kristen from Crafty Kristen and Halls, number 4. And now we officially have Tina. This is Glamnurse on Instagram, officially in the box, number 5. Check it out, girls. Good luck. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Join the family. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.